Hey guys, what's up? I conducted a poll on my Instagram wherein you guys voted for healthy recipes. So I bring two healthy soup recipes for you guys. Don't worry, they are not your old basic tomato soup. It's pumpkin soup and broccoli soup, and it's gonna be very tasty. For me, taste has always been a motivating factor. It's the prime factor because I believe no matter how much you try and have healthy food, unless it's tasty, you'll not be able to pursue it for long. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And now let's get started.
This is all you need for broccoli soup: broccoli florets, dry roasted almonds, peeled garlic, plain water, and cheese. Cheese is entirely optional. Put broccoli with garlic and water in the pressure cooker. Put on the lid and give it a good steam for 7 to 8 minutes. The broccoli is now cooked. We'll wait for it to cool down so that we can blend it. Strain the mixture in the pot and add water if you want to adjust the consistency of it. Add salt and pepper to taste and stir the mixture well. Roughly chop down the almonds and grate the cheese and then add it to the soup. Stir the soup well and keep it on heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Your soup is now ready. This soup can also be stored in an airtight bottle in the fridge for 1 to 2 days.
These are all the required ingredients: thinly sliced pumpkin, vegetable stock. If you do not have vegetable stock, you can use water, onion and garlic. I have dry roasted these onion and garlic in the microwave for 1 minute in the batches of 20 seconds so that it doesn't burst out inside the microwave. We will now pot roast the pumpkin, for which I have added butter, very small amount of butter to the pan. I'll heat the butter and then add pumpkin to it. I'll now add pumpkin to it. I'll let it lay like this on the pot for some time so that it gets sufficiently cooked on one side.
Since I have microwaved it for 1 minute, you can see it's now cooked and it has become very soft, both onion and garlic. I have microwaved both of them with their skin. I have turned the pumpkin so that it can be cooked on the other side. You can see roast mark on the skin of the pumpkin. These are the marks we are looking for. This is how much we want to cook the pumpkin. The pumpkin is now cooked, so I'll take it off the heat and do the same procedure with the onion and garlic. I will now dry roast onion and garlic. This is dry roasting without any butter. I have peeled off the skin of onion and garlic and placed it on a heating pan. Now I'll add a portion of vegetable stock over it. Salt to taste. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium to low flame with the lid on.
Pumpkin has now absorbed all the vegetable stock. We'll let it cool and then we'll blend it. Add the remaining portion of vegetable stock to it. Strain it into the pot. I have added some water to adjust the consistency of the soup. Bring it to one boil and it's good to go.
You can garnish it with coriander and also store it in an airtight bottle for 1 to 2 days.